Om Sushumna. My dear Sushumna Kriya Yogis, on the 8th day of Navratri, the Divine Mother is worshipped as MahaGauri. She is radiant, shining like the purest moonlight. Her name itself symbolizes purity, serenity, and divine beauty. MahaGauri is often depicted as youthful around the age of 16, just like our eternal Guru, Sri Mahavatar Babaji. This eternal youthfulness is not of the physical body, but of the cosmic spirit. In this form of purity, the goddess destroyed the demons and restored peace and prosperity to the worlds. She exudes universal love and continually strives for the welfare of creation. MahaGauri's form can be compared to the astral forms of perfected yogis. Through intense sadhana, realized masters transcend the limitations of the physical body and retain forms that are radiant, timeless, and filled with divine light. These bodies are born not of matter but of pure cosmic energy. They embody perfection and beauty beyond comparison. Devi Mahagauri also reminds us that purity is strength. Devi Mahagauri's energy is also associated with a very subtle and the most highest center, the chakra beyond Sahasrara. It is not easy to understand or even to perceive about this sacred space, for it is one of the highest spaces that transcends the boundaries of the physical limitations of the mind. In yogic and Siddha traditions, this center is described as the Atma Nakshatra or the soul center. It is the luminous point of pure consciousness shining above the crown like a divine star. This is a realm that words cannot fully capture. It is not a chakra in the physical sense, but a cosmic doorway where the yogis no longer experience themselves as body or mind, but as the infinite, eternal soul. May Devi's grace bring peace and prosperity. Sit with devotion, openness, and surrender, and allow the Divine Mother's purity to shine through you, awakening love, serenity, and timeless grace.